As we approach the tail end of 2024, rumors about Apple's next compact powerhouse, the iPad mini 7, are swirling. With each passing year, Apple enthusiasts eagerly wait for the next iteration of their favorite devices, and the iPad mini series has carved out a special place in the hearts of fans. Compact, powerful, and versatile, the iPad mini has been a unique offering in the tablet market, consistently meeting a demand for portable but high-performing devices. While Apple has kept a tight lid on official announcements, multiple leaks and credible rumors have surfaced, suggesting significant updates for the upcoming iPad mini 7. This video will cover everything you need to know about the potential design, performance improvements, features, and expected release of the iPad mini 7. Though Apple has remained silent on the matter, industry insiders suggest that a release could happen in the final quarter of 2024, aligning with Apple's usual fall product launches. Historically, Apple has used its October events to unveil new iPads, and the iPad mini 7 could be one of the highlights of this year's lineup. The iPad mini 6 introduced a fresh design with slimmer bezels, flat edges, and a larger 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display. Fans have widely appreciated this look, so it's no surprise that the iPad mini 7 might follow a similar design language. Rumors suggest that the overall aesthetic will remain largely unchanged, maintaining the flat-edge design and the placement of the Touch ID sensor within the power button. While current color offerings like Space Gray, Starlight, Pink, and Purple are expected to return, leaks suggest that Apple may introduce new color variants to keep the design fresh. The iPad mini 6 came equipped with the A15 Bionic chip, making it one of the most powerful small tablets on the market at the time of its release. For the iPad mini 7, however, we're expecting even more powerful internals. Early reports indicate that Apple could use the latest A17 Bionic chip, which has already made waves in the iPhone 15 series. The A17 chip, built on a more efficient 3nm process, promises significant boosts in performance and energy efficiency. Apple's attention to improving battery life is also a focus here. While the iPad mini 6 had solid battery performance, the A17's power efficiency could mean even longer usage times without sacrificing performance. This improvement is especially crucial given that the iPad mini is often used for on-the-go tasks, and long battery life remains a key selling point. Leaked reports suggest that the iPad mini 7 could feature a 12-megapixel rear camera with enhanced image stabilization and low-light performance, making it a better tool for photography and videography than its predecessors. The iPad mini 6 launched at $499, and many are wondering if Apple will maintain this price point for the iPad mini 7. Stay tuned for more updates as leaks continue to emerge, and we get closer to the anticipated late 2024 release date.